Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Yay to the new week! I'm so blessed and grateful to be alive to see another week. I hope you all are well and feeling just as happy and grateful as I am. Right? Okay, let's get cracking. On today's menu, we have peppered steak, rice and peas, stir-fry veg, macaroni and salad, avocado, and broccoli. Here are the ingredients that I will be using to prepare the peppered steak. Yes, peppered steak, yes. So I'd already gone ahead from the night before and put some seasoning on the steak. So now I'm going to add the rest of the seasoning. So I'm adding garlic powder, ground ginger, ground pimento, onion powder, chili flakes, dried thyme, dark soy sauce, salt, and black pepper. And now I'm going to massage it all into the meat. As you can see, the steak has been cut into strips. So guys, the herbs and the dry seasoning is very good to keep your steak nice and moist. So yeah, that's why I use all them nice dried good stuff. Rub it in and rub it in and rub it in. So I'm going to set this aside to continue marinating for an hour. Yeah, 1 hour, and then I'll begin to work on it. So my peas was already cooking, so I'm just going to add some thyme, scallion, ground pimento, and of course some coconut milk. Look how it nice and creamy. That's if it go come out. Are you gonna come out? So creamy and good. Ooh, look there. That's so good. Some salt, garlic, 2 tablespoons sugar, and combine everything, and then we're going to cover it and leave it to come to a boil. Now that the 1 hour has passed, I'm going to add my steak to about 2 tablespoons of oil. Make sure the fire is not on high. It should be about medium heat, and continue to stir this until the steak is seared. So you want all of them get that little touch, you know, that little look they like, yeah, fire touch them. That's what I mean. See it a come there, see some of them a change color. Yeah, cause fire touch up under them skin. So good. So yeah, stir it up and stir it up. So you do it at least until most of them get seared. Go and stir, my friend. Go and stir. I use a cook. cause dinner have to eat. Sunday hungry or no hungry is not a nice hungry. So we are stirring and cooking. Almost there. Some more sides here there. So remember, make sure the fire not on high. So yeah, cover it down and leave it for 5 minutes. Now that our peas is ready and seasoned, I'm going to add my washed rice. Well, me I stir it up first, you make sure you taste the pot and see what else it want. If it want, no more salt or anything, you'd put it in there. So yeah, add the washed rice. And then you go cover it and leave it for cook. So here is the beef after 5 minutes. So you guys see the water will spring from it all by itself, and me not add no water to it yet or nothing. But now I'm going to pour some boiled water from my kettle. Cause remember me tell you, always have some hot water set aside, right? And then me I go add it to the bowl when me did season the steak into. Give it a shake or a stir or whatever and dash in the water there in the pot. Make sure you don't pour too much water in it all at once. I bet you need to add more water than you go drown out the poor little beef, yeah? So I'm add a tablespoon of sugar, yeah, and cover it and leave it for 30 minutes. Okay, and then we are gonna rally back and see what I go on. So now, as you can see, me there. So now me I cut up the peppers for the peppered steak. Yeah, cause pepper steak we make, we need pepper. Cut up some onion too. So the rice dried down now. That looks so good. That looks so good. So stir it up, for make sure so every grain I get cooked. The rice look good, don't it? Look like it bathed. It look really clean. Rice, it look good. It look really, really good. So yeah, stir it up. And fix it back in the pot nice and thing. And then cover it and make it go and simmer. Here is the steak after 30 minutes. So now I'm going to add the sweet peppers and onion. So yeah, then stir it all and leave it for go and cook down some more. And guys, me never need to add no cornstarch to it. Me just make it do its own thing. Once it cook down, it will thicken itself. That is when you don't add too much water to the pot. Don't over add water to the pot. Right? Guys, look at this beauty. Look at it. It looks so good. So yeah, just don't add too much water and leave it. Make it go and cook down and it will thicken and nice itself. Yummy. So I'm going to stir fry some veggies. I bought this pre-prepared pack because me just couldn't bother. So I just poured it into my colander and wash it off. And I'm going to add some veggie seasoning and yeah. So yeah, spritz up my pot with a little bit of oil. and pour the veggies from the colander. Yeah. Make sure the fire dey pan high. Cause it not gonna take long for cook. Remember, stir fry, we are stir fry. So you pour some seasoning pan it, dash on some veggie seasoning. And with things like that, you don't need to necessarily add no salt. But if you want more salt, do your thing. But, I didn't need any more. So yeah, stir it up. And the pre-prepared pack here, it have onion in it and, all of them stuff there. So we never need to add any. So that was good. That saved me a little time. Yeah, so stir it. And it'll be so simple with that. All cooked and done. And this is us. This is our peppered steak. And here is our rice. Yes. Family, no come here. Come here, please. See the finished product, yeah. Some did feel for some macaroni salad, so I prepared it and just added it to my plate instead of, the stir fry veg. Vibes fam, when me tell you say that dinner yeah, gonna lead, me mean gonna lead. Never to come back until it a come for collect it trophy. Gone. Pepper steak, step to the front, cause your look say front bench. Yeah? Wanna look there. Look how she a glisten like she oil up with shea butter. No, man. That looks so good. And it tastes even better. Macaroni salad where you there. Come. Come here. You look nice, bad. You look nice, bad macaroni salad. Rice, I use shelly, broccoli, and pear. Uno no worry yourself. Uno a Jesus favorite. Uno look good. Vibes fam, thank you so much for watching. Please follow me on all social. God bless you. Please share my channel with someone and tell them to subscribe.